What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video, we are going to understand abstract base classes. So what exactly are abstract base classes, or ABCs? They actually serve as fundamental blueprints in object-oriented programming, and they define a common interface for subclasses. This ensures structural consistency in Python programming. So, what are some of the characteristics of ABC? ABCs establish templates that subclasses must follow, and then they define methods without implementation that subclasses must implement. Another thing they also do is to enforce uniformity across all inheriting subclasses. One thing they cannot do is ABCs cannot be instantiated directly, serving as blueprints to ensure consistent behavior throughout class hierarchies. Thank you for this video. Move to the next video.